Got a Freelander 2 with a leak that's causing it to be quite wet here. So after a bit of Googling, we found out that it might be coming from the tail light. That little bad boy there. So we've got a feeling that water's getting in there, causing the boot to be quite... so what we've done is we've tested it with the hose just not so long ago and found the water getting in underneath. So our thoughts were correct. So it's all about releasing that now and see if we can get and find the culprit, I guess. So we're gonna have a go. First thing is, it's quite cold out, just so you know. So we've got this little dryer heater. So anybody that's watched Smart would know that plastic is brittle and cold. So we're going to try and warm it up. Let's see how we get on. So I just want to give you an update of how we tested this out. So like I said, we had water on the boot there. What we did is we opened the boot first and we removed this trim that goes there, and it literally just pulls off. There's a couple of little brackets. You've got to be really careful with them because they can break and snap inside and all sorts of things, but if you've got the right tool, bada bing bada boom. So what I did is I got inside the vehicle, we closed the boot, and then my mate put the hose pipe on and we just soaked it full of water, and for a good couple of minutes, or probably a good minute and a half, nothing was happening, and then all of a sudden water started coming through this hole and then all through and then it just started dripping down, which ultimately was the culprit. So that was step one, and then we went ahead and moved the lights. Just another thought, we bought this little bad boy kit. It's a trim removal tool kit off Amazon, just to save scratching any paint. So it's all plastic, makes removing trim a little bit easier, so worth the investment. Totally recommend. So what we're going to do now, just make sure I don't get my plate in. What we've discovered is just under this corner here is like a little clip. So just slowly, gently prise it off until you can find, actually if I can get to the corner a little bit, that's it. So that little white clip there, that's the bit that we need to press in. Once you've done the one size, it will just generally wiggle out. What we got?
Yeah, definitely water been going in there.
Jesus, look at that. Well, that's the culprit. Oh, that's disgusting. That's the answer. Definitely been getting in there, especially in this British weather that we know we love a bit of rain, so that's definitely probably been leaking for quite a while. So what we'll do is we'll clean this up, clean that up, remask it and put it back together. Fingers crossed it solves the problem. Okay, so what we've done here is we've just put a bit of mastic on just over the top of, just for now, this is just to get us through the winter. In the summer we'll replace that gasket, but for now put a bit of mastic on just to give it some support and rebuild it. So what's connecting there is just the rear washer, and then obviously the brake light. And we'll click it in. And that, folks, is Bob's your uncle. That's back in, tight with a bit of mastic. Once that's set, the water should leak in there at all. And as I said, it was a Freelander 2, 2007 model, but from what I understand, it can happen to any one of them. So if you do get water inside the boot, that's most likely a culprit. Thanks for watching.